Walking down the street, she looked so fine, I just had to speak. I asked her name, but she turned away as she walked. All that I could say was yeah, 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 yeah. All that I can say was yeah, 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 yeah. All that I can say was 6-inch heels clicking up down the street. You know she's coming and then she walks away. I'm a big deal and little fun's all I need. But I can tell she don't believe what I say. So tell me where you're from, where you wanna go. And she walked past me like I ain't saying a word. Stood there like, damn girl, I don't usually feel some type of way, but this one hit me hard in some kind of place. Like damn, and I